This is Scott from KIG. It's April 10th, 2017. Today we're going to do a runoff video for this 2 horsepower Mokon air-cooled chiller. In this case here, we can do this whole video with the covers off. We have both the top and the side here. But the way these condenser fans work is it sucks through the condenser out here, so we don't have to have the side covers on in order to run this unit. We are going to power this up in 2 seconds. We have been running it for a couple days. It's an AS2J 03DG. The DG just stands for some options it came with, including a bypass and some temperature gauges and a solenoid shutoff. In case you had a tank that was way above the chiller. It doesn't adversely affect any operation for normal operation. Serial number 7007873 with a 3/4 horsepower pump. It's our 407C refrigerant, 230 volt 3-phase. So first thing we're going to do is turn on our main power here. And this comes with a cable, but not a plug. We got this with that cable. So first thing that happens is it's just going to show you the temperatures on the screen here. Now with this controller here, we have a process pump start and a compressor start. We also have nice gauges for both the pump pressure and the refrigerant, high and low refrigerant gauges too. When you first start up, this being a 3-phase machine, it is phase dependent. So you see there on your 3/4 horsepower centrifugal pump, that's the rotation it's supposed to go. You can look down there with a flashlight, check the rotation. And in this case here, you don't have to bump a contactor. You just have to bump it there to make sure. If it's going in the wrong direction on startup, you want to change, well, first you want to disconnect your power, and you'll want to change your main incoming power here, not the pump power, but your main incoming power, okay? And obviously we've already been running this and already have it working. So we can turn our process pump on, and then what we're going to do here, it's very simple, and we're going to have a section of the manual that we printed out. We'll put it right here in the control cabinet. You can print out the entire manual on our website too. You just have to Google Mokon chiller and the serial number, and it should go right to the PDF for the full manual and schematics for this actual chiller. A couple buttons here. All you have to worry about is this little circular looking thing. And all we'd really worry about is set point 1. This has a range of 50 to 65 Fahrenheit. It can be changed if you call up the factory. You can speak to Dave there. We wrote the numbers on the contact information on the pages that are going to be in the control cabinet here. But all you do is you press this once. You go by this, the WRK page. Press it twice. That brings you to set point 1. We're going to lower it to 50. Press enter. Bring it back, and now we're in cooling mode, but we don't have the compressor on, so I press compressor on, and now we're going to start to cool. This unit has technically it's actually a 3 horsepower or a 36,000 BTU per hour Copeland scroll compressor. We have 2 cooling fans. You can see one just turned on, which is nice, so it's on demand based on two fan switches we have here. It's a nice little setup. It has a hot gas bypass there, and also a refrigerant cyclops, R407C, and also that's a liquid line solenoid valve for the refrigerant. This controls the cooling by controlling or cycling the hot gas bypass. So once your compressor is on, it stays on while we're chilling, and maintains the temperature by cycling that hot gas bypass and the liquid line solenoid valve at the same time. We have a flow switch in the unit, so if there's no flow, this fault will come out. And we have two warning lights, low refrigerant and high refrigerant. These are your low and high refrigerant gauges. Don't adjust those. Talk to us or Mokon before you try adjusting them. We actually call Mokon about this unit, and they actually seem pretty good about supporting their supporting their used equipment. And this is not that old at all, but they're available, or you can go through Mokon. This here, if you choose to use it, this is a solenoid valve for water makeup. You can tie that in right here if you do want to do that. You don't have to. We're running it on partial amount of glycol. We have this level sensor and one down in there. When it gets lower than one particular number or limit, you'll bring in more fluid for the water makeup. This is going to ship out with the factory installed bypass, which is this line right here from the inlet and outlet. And it also has some redundant pressure gauges here on your inlet and outlet also, which is kind of nice. And this is your bypass to adjust it. You can hear that little hissing noise. It's the hot gas bypass. So this goes approximately, set point 50, this goes approximately 3 degrees below, and then I'll let it go back up, and then start chilling again to maintain your set point temperature. But that's really all you need to worry about is this scroll circular button to get the set point 1. Don't worry about set point 2. Just go to that set point 1, and that's where you change your set point. So right now this is maintaining. We've been running it for several days. It's ready to go. We're going to get the full crate ready for the customer and post this online video. This is Scott from KIG, and our website is kigsales.com. Thank you.